how to remove all this crap. And then pull the cable through that hole right there. It's in turn. It's down there somewhere by the hood. There's some brake lube on the rubber. And I pushed the cable in there and it started to fall right into place. And it came out and just stuck up here. And I routed it down underneath. Fell right into that holder underneath there. And we got this other holder right here underneath here. Yeah, helps if you don't bash yourself in the eye. And that's right there. Alright, that's how it goes. And always mark where your hood came off. So put it back the way it is. Oh, cable goes underneath there. Goes in that holder right there. Goes above here. Goes through that crack. And there's a holder. Right there. Goes under here to the latch. Yeah, move that forward there. Like that, and you get the little nut off the end off it and pull the cable through the slot right there.